Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the in-app language on the Gate.io crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Gate.io application on your device, and after logging in, you will end up within the homepage. From here, just click on the profile icon at the top left corner and now tap on the small arrow alongside your user ID. Now from this page, underneath your profile page, tap on Preferences, and then underneath the Preferences menu, the very first option is the language. Go ahead and tap on it, and now this will show you all of the different languages that are available for the application. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use, and this will make your change right away. You can go back to this menu at any point of time in order to once again change your language in the future. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the in-app language on the Gate.io application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.